Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Fort Hall, local and long distance movers near me. Our long distance movers offer all the best options to make your move easier, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When it's time to relocate to a new state or across the country, we can help. Our team of movers knows how to pack you up and move you faster and easier. There are already enough things to deal with when moving. Why not let us handle the hard work and the heavy lifting? Are you considering hiring an Idaho moving company for your local move? Maybe you're not sure if it's a good idea due to the cost. The benefits often outweigh the cost. However, you will save plenty of time and you will also save energy when you choose professional movers. The movers from 3 Men and a Truck offer all the benefits you need to rationalize the cost. We streamline the process of moving to help ensure you get there fast. If you want to settle into your new location with more energy, our team can help. A move that will take you 5 days to complete, we can get done in a few hours. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Fort Hall moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.